So, you're thinking about getting your PhD. Awesome. You are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to break down the entire application process for the University of Padua's 42nd cycle. This is your guide to joining one of the oldest, most respected universities on the planet. Let's get right into it. Okay, think of this as our little roadmap. First, we'll cover the big announcement that the call is officially open. Then, we'll nail down the key dates you absolutely cannot miss. After that, we're going to dive into the amazing range of programs they offer. We'll walk you step by step through the application, look at all the great support systems like scholarships, and finally, we'll wrap it all up with a checklist so you know you're good to go. And here we go. This is the moment a lot of you have probably been waiting for. The call for applications is officially open. This is it. This is where your journey to becoming a researcher at a truly historic university actually begins. This isn't just some generic announcement. It's a real invitation. For the 42nd time, Padua is opening its doors to the next generation of thinkers and innovators. And yeah, the competition is going to be tough, but this is your chance to be a part of it. All right, now that we're all fired up, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. The next few details are absolutely crucial. These are the non-negotiables, the dates and rules that you've just got to get right. Okay, get out your calendar because this is the date to circle in bright red. May 20th, 2026 at 1 p.m. Central European Time. That is a hard deadline. But check this out, your referees actually get a few extra days to get their letters in. It might seem like a small thing, but trust me, that little buffer can be a total lifesaver. Okay, now for the really fun part, figuring out where you belong. What's that big question you're dying to answer with your research? Padua has such an incredible variety of programs, so let's explore how to find your perfect academic home. And just take a look at the sheer range of fields here. And this is just a tiny sample. I mean, whether you're dreaming of studying the stars in astronomy, solving medical mysteries in molecular medicine, or fighting for justice and human rights, there is a place for you. The full list is even bigger, so you've got to go to the university website and find your niche. Feeling a little overwhelmed by all the choices? Hey, don't be. We're about to make this whole thing super simple. Let's just walk through the application process one step at a time. I promise, it's a clear path that'll take you right to that final submit button. Listen up, because this might be the most important tip I give you today. You have to read two documents. First is the general call. Think of that as the main rulebook for everybody. Then you find your course fact sheet, which is like a personalized guide just for your specific program. If you can master these two documents, you are golden. So let's put it all together. It's just 4 simple steps. 1. Learn the general rules. 2. Find your program's specific fact sheet. 3. Get all your documents together. And 4. Submit everything on the Pika platform. See? When you break it down like that, it's totally manageable. And this right here is where all the action happens. The Pamaka platform. It's the one and only portal for your application, so you'll want to bookmark this link right now. And hey, if you get stuck or anything feels confusing, don't worry. The university has made some really helpful video tutorials to walk you through it. A PhD is so much more than just your research. It's the entire experience. And at Padua, they have a fantastic support system, from financial aid to some really unique opportunities that go way beyond the lab or the library. And speaking of support, I have some seriously exciting news for this 42nd cycle. The university has just increased the scholarship amount. This is a huge deal. It means more financial stability so you can actually focus on what matters, your research. But wait, it doesn't even stop with the scholarship money. Just imagine securing a spot in their dedicated housing or earning a prestigious position at the Galilean School of Higher Education. They even have reserved spots for certain candidates. These are the kinds of opportunities that really define your PhD experience, so definitely check to see what you might be eligible for. Wow, we have covered a ton of ground. Now it's time for that final push. Let's bring everything together into one last simple checklist to make sure you get across that finish line with a perfect application. Look, as you're getting lost in all the paperwork and deadlines, just take a second to come back to this question. Why are you doing this? What is it that you want to contribute? Let that be the fuel that drives you through this whole process. Okay, so let's lock in these final details one more time. The deadline, May 20th, 2026 at 1 p.m. sharp. And please remember, you are not alone in this. The PhD office is there to help. We really hope this explainer has given you the confidence and the clarity you need to take this incredible next step. Best of luck. Now, go change the world.